Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve the problem, x squared minus 100. In this video, we will go through a step-by-step process to find the solution for this algebraic expression. Let's get started. To solve the problem x squared minus 100, we begin by recognizing that this is a difference of squares. The expression x squared minus 100 can be rewritten in a factored form as x plus 10 times x minus 10. This is possible because x squared minus 100 equals x squared minus 10 squared. Since a squared minus b squared can be factored into a plus b times a minus b, we apply this rule, letting a equal x and b equal 10. Therefore, x squared minus 10 squared factors into x plus 10 times x minus 10. In step 2, the factored expression x plus 10 times x minus 10 is set to 0 in order to solve for the values of x that satisfy the equation. This changes the problem to x plus 10 equals 0 and x minus 10 equals 0. By solving these two simpler equations, we find the solutions are x equals minus 10 and x equals 10. These solutions satisfy the original equation x squared minus 100 equals 0. Therefore, the solutions to the problem are x equals minus 10 and x equals 10. This completes the solution. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.